Hello, in this video I'll show you how to replace the CV joint and CV boot on most Audis, Volkswagens, Skodas, Seats. In this case here we're changing the CV joint and CV boot on an Audi Q3. First we start by removing the bolt for the CV joint. Next we'll remove the two nuts holding the lower ball joint. I've already removed them, and remove the controller from the Next we will remove the CV joint from the wheel hub. Next we'll remove the tie rod end. Now that we've removed everything, we can bring the whole wheel hub to the front, and the CV joint will have access to the CV joint. First we'll remove the two brackets that are holding the CV boot, and then we'll cut the CV boot off so that we have access to the CV joint. If the video is useful, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Now that we've removed the CV boot, next we need to remove the CV joint. We'll hit the CV joint right there with a hammer so that it comes out of the drive axle. If you are removing the CV joint while it's on the car, you might need to have somebody who is gonna hold the drive axle, so that who is gonna push the drive axle back while we hit the CV joint. Sometimes you might want to hit it a bit more and even harder to take the CV joint out. It might not be as easy, but it will come out eventually. That's the CV joint out. Next we need to clean the place, and put on the new CV. Before we put on the CV joint, we need to put on one of the brackets, the small bracket, the CV boot, then those O-rings that go just on the front of the drive axle, and then I will put the CV joint in and we will hammer it. We need to fill the CV joint up with grease before we put it on the drive axle, and we'll just hammer the CV joint in. Yep, the CV joint is in. Next we'll put some more grease on the CV joint, and we'll put the CV boot onto the CV joint and put the bracket. Once we tighten the two brackets, everything is done, so we can